Hi everyone, this is Vidhu and I'm an IT professional. I work in Salesforce as a product management director, and from last 3 years I'm doing the art practice as well, and this is my first exhibition with India Art Festival, and you can see all the work which I have produced in last 2-3 years. I am exhibiting here. So one by one I will talk about all my artwork, like the description and all. So I will start with this. So this is texture art. So you can see using a texture and a knife, I have built these two horses. And the one unique thing about these horses, these are the unique or like the same horses, two running horses. You can see the dust and all. So as per Vastu, if you put this kind of artwork in your south direction, it will bring the fame and the passion and the power. You can see the speed and motion. So this is based on the Vastu principle, which represent the horse, red horses as a fame, power and speed. And then you can see like the small artwork I did using the oil, which is just to like if you have a tea or coffee place where, or you have kids room where you can place like the little bit of the peace and calming effect. You can see for both the artwork I have used the oil medium. And coming to this third one, which is a guitar. So this brings a vibe where like you can put in either your kids room or the drawing room, just to showcasing the vintage collection of the art or like the musical instruments. You can see the vintage wall, the rough texture of this wall, and how like the old vintage frame and all those stuff. And this is done by a famous Japan photographer. This photograph is click, and then I try to put into the canvas. This is the morning scene where you can see the little bit fog and the sunlight, and for this I have used acrylic paint. Now I am coming to this one. This is made on the grayscale. So the grayscale, if you see, this is black and white and the grayscale, and the yellow color has been used. So gray is basically just to ensure like people do not think in the black and white, do not judge the things, but they have the default set of mind which always attract the happiness, and that is yellow color. So that is why the color combination, most of the people come and they ask why black and white and yellow specifically. So the gray color shows like the neutral state of mind, not the black and white, and the yellow is represent the happiness. This is done by acrylic. Now we have like this one, this is little bit has the pinch of the texture, and then we have the oil paint where you can see like the two pots. This is based on the Wabi-Sabi principle, where you can see like the beauty in like the imperfect thing. So you can see like the texture of wall, little bit the rough texture, and then you see the beautiful objects, the candle and all, and the reflection. So basically I've used oil and then the texture and then knife and a little bit the acrylic, where like using this is some rough patches using the texture art, the knife and all. These are the materials I have used. So this one you see, as I talk about the Wabi-Sabi principle, right, you can see the cracks of the wall. This represent like that this wall or this jharoka is very old, but the beauty of this view inside this jharoka, right? This is again based on the Wabi-Sabi principle. So if you are keeping in your drawing room, you will always remind this flag, the life is not always beautiful. There are some cracks always, but you can see the positive side. So this beauty and the imperfect combination, again Wabi-Sabi principle. And then this Krishna picture, this is again like I have used the oil to create like the little bit of the mix of texture and all, and the palette and all, and just you can see the like the how vibrant this Krishna painting is looking. Then we have this one, and this represent the true love and the devotion. So again like you can see that this flute is Krishna is keeping in the floor, just to like ensure when he is spending that time with Radha, he is giving the full attention to Radha. This is what the concept I try to portray in this picture. This is like the little bit texture here, and this is done using the oil paint, and you can see the simplicity of Radha. Not golden ornaments, only like the little bit bangles, only one red bindi, and even the Krishna you can see like the ornaments are the flower based. So it's like represents the simplicity, the devotion of the love, and how like relaxed Radha is looking, because Krishna is fully devoted to her in this picture, and it seems they are enjoying their time together. So yeah, this one is like the more again like the vintage wine and the grapes and all represents the the little bit of like the something you should be keeping in your bar or something, just to showcase how like the wine and the grapes and all the combinations. Again, the vintage collection, this is done using the acrylic. This one is one lady waiting in the Jharoka, and it seems she kept some flowers just to like waiting for someone eagerly. This is done through acrylic. So these all are my artwork. I am available in Instagram, and you can always reach out to me. My profile is iartam_vidhu. You can search through Vidhu also, and please reach out to me if you love my artwork and you want to order something, or you want to connect or want to learn about the process. Thank you.